Next is a keynote address by Puneet Kapoor, President, Products, Alternate Channels and Customer Experience Delivery, Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of State for Education, Government of India. Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan, Minister of Higher Education, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of Karnataka. Mr. Naveen Mittal, Commissioner, Collegiate Education and Technical Education, Government of Telangana, and all my friends and industry colleagues. I hereby take this opportunity to thank the Government of Telangana for organizing the Education, Innovation and Skills Summit along with etgovernment.com. This is a great platform for exchange of dialogue and ideas on the way forward for the education sector in a post-COVID world. During the last year and a half, school, college, and university education across the country has seen a never-before experienced transformation. Thanks to revolution and innovations in EdTech, teachers have reached students' homes. Online platforms have made the unthinkable possible, thus helping students access studies in an e-learning mode even from their homes. As for higher education, several platforms have sprung up that offer short-term courses to skilled workers to upgrade their skills. We are now living in an after-COVID age. The COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdowns dealt a severe blow to the education sector. We are all in the process of learning to live in a post-COVID world. We are now used to wearing a mask at all times, being vaccinated with first and second doses, and are now slowly limping back to our feet. Until some time ago, we could not have imagined that our kids could study from their homes without going to the schools. But as COVID grew its tentacles and started spreading across the world, our children started getting adjusted to the new normal of being taught online, submitting their worksheets and examinations online, and even getting promoted across classes without ever having to visit their places of education. The pandemic has resulted in some everlasting changes. There are some significant structural changes that are taking place in the way we live and interact with others. There is no going back completely, with digital extending to almost all aspects of our lives. While school kids have been struggling because they miss having a classroom environment, college and university students are facing a lack of infrastructure, admissions, examinations, access to libraries, sports grounds, and activities, etc. Having said this, both administrations and teachers have been working towards finding solutions and fixing these gaps. The banking and financial services industry too is undergoing transformative changes powered by digitization. COVID-19 has further accelerated digitization of banking with evolving customer expectations and changing behavior experienced during the pandemic. At Kotak Mahindra Bank, we have designed our digital universe to complement our physical infrastructure and create a seamless experience between the two ecosystems. This drives efficiency and enhances customer experience. Education is one of the key focus of Kotak's CSR initiative. Kotak Education Foundation supports children and youth from underprivileged families through different education-based interventions to rise above the poverty line. Under our CSR identity, Kotak Karma, we launched several initiatives to make learning easy. We recently announced the launch of Kotak Shiksha Nidhi, an initiative to provide financial assistance to students who have lost parents and or a primary earning family member to COVID-19 for the purposes of completing their education. To support higher education, Kotak Mahindra Bank has partnered with the Indian Institute of Science to set up a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence and machine learning center, Kotak IISc AI ML Center at the IISc campus in Bangalore. Kotak Group offers Kotak Kanya Scholarship to financially support meritorious girl students from underprivileged sections of society to pursue higher education after class 12. We also launched Kotak Digital Learning Solutions to provide free online and offline education to class 10 students studying in underserved localities in Mumbai. We distributed around 7,500 tablets to teachers and students under this initiative. Further, for schools, universities, and other stakeholders, Kotak has a myriad initiatives that support ease in payments. The Kotak AllPay is a unique all-in-one receivable management application. Kotak AllPay is a one-stop shop offering payments, collections, and settlement services. Through our digital campus solutions, we have integrated solutions for the campus for payments right from regular fee and exam fee to canteen and library expenses. To support higher education, we offer education loans at easy, convenient rates that help customers to repay in easy installments. For students wanting to study abroad in countries like Germany, we offer the German blocked accounts where students can park the funds required by them in Germany. Some of the key offerings from Kotak Mahindra Bank: a fully digital engagement when services are pull-based, for example, digital payments, service requests, chatbot, and API services, amongst many others. A digital assisted by physical where deeper interaction with customers is required, for example, loan documentation. Human-led and digitally assisted journeys where customers need hand-holding, for example, digital branches, automated tellers, home loan origination, or biometric account opening. Our services are available on a wide range of digital channels such as WhatsApp, missed call, chatbot, voice bot, mobile app, and kiosk banking. Information and short videos are made available in English, Hindi, and other languages. Bots are deployed to automate services, go paperless, and deliver faster. Some of the other offerings that we bring for the society at large: our savings account with prevalent interest rates, doorstep banking services, remittance services, cutting across drafts and electronic mediums, and transaction alerts and forex solutions. In the payment solutions bouquet, we offer a very customized solution called Net IT, which takes care of online bulk, NEFT, and RTGS. It is based on maker checker concept, which brings in additional level of security. The statutory payments like tax and EPFO, and of course, salary upload capabilities. We also have a host of collection and reconciliation solutions, which cover e-invoicing, physical check and draft collections, e-collections, POS or QR code, and Bharat Bill Pay system. Kotak Mahindra Group is a trendsetter in the Indian banking industry since its inception and continues to contribute to nation building as one of India's leading banking and financial service institutions. As the world adapts to a new way of banking, we are fine-tuning our offerings to meet customer expectations and remain ahead of the curve by offering tailored solutions to meet evolving customer needs and preferences. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kapoor, for all the updates and insights. Ladies and gentlemen, a quick reminder to visit the Expo area and explore the booths.